The sandcats are named for their desert home. You might mistake one for an odd-looking house cat. Unlike a house cat, sandcats have a body made for desert life. With their sand-colored fur, sandcats disappear against the dunes. This is useful for a desert hunter, but it makes it hard for people to see them in the wild. When people do see a sandcat, the first thing they notice are its ears. The sandcat's odd look comes from their ears. The ears sit wider apart and lower on their head than those of a house cat. This protects their ears from blowing sand. In the desert, a house cat's ears would fill up with sand on a windy day.